Hi guys, so today we are back, okay, and today evening it's already 6:50. From past 5 minutes we are playing our ball because me and Sumira were playing cricket, and he was bowling and I was batting. I hit it very hard. Hi guys, we are back today. Time is 6:52, and from past 5 minutes we are playing cricket. Me and Sumira, okay. So I was batting and he was bowling. I hit too hard that it went somewhere, and we are searching in our ground floor see what this guy is doing.
I will also give you one white color and rice cake with red sauce. Hey, white pa? White
See
pa?
guys, he's finding
White
the
pa?
ball like a dog which has lost its bone. Okay.
White pa, you're doing it? Okay, come on. Come on, pa, let's just find it.
Okay, we'll find it together. So as this guy is saying, we'll find it. Come on. Tell me the technique how to call it.
I'll give you pasta bola and you tell. I'll also give you pasta bola and tell pa.
Hello, ball. Bamba. Excuse me. So guys, we can't find the ball from past 5 years now. 5 minutes, no? Yeah, 5 minutes we are finding. Yeah. From past 5 minutes we are finding the ball, but it's not coming only. We are calling from that time. We are all giving menus to it. Pasta bolognese,
Pasta bola Ganesh.
one plate idli sambar and vada, and
I'll do what the Parle-G
Parle-G, which we used to give to dogs.
called Mohit.
Yeah. Okay, so this is finding. We can't find it. If we find also, we'll make another video. Come on, let's come back. Say bye.
Bye. Come back to part 2 and like and subscribe and share.